welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to actually be doing something that I have never done before because it's new to me. Yeah, a couple of months ago Julia made a video on Ipsy subscription bags, and you know, I have often thought about pulling the plug on that one and just ordering it and see whether I like it or not. It's $12 US, which works out to be $18 Canadian. So anyway, she was giving away codes for first time free subscription bags. So I messaged her and she sent me a free code. So I got my first one free. And you know, it was nice. It was kind of nice getting a little surprise in the mail. And then I was going to cancel it. You know, I thought I'll just get a free one and then I'll cancel it. And then I changed my mind because I looked at June's, what they were having in June. And yes, I know it's July. I know I'm behind. My July one has actually shipped. So I thought I better get on and do my June one. And yeah, it comes in this bag. This is the basic one, and then there are more expensive ones. I think they go up to $25, and you can get full size. These are sample size. So I thought I'll go ahead. Why not? You know, for $18 a month. Last month there were a few things in it that I gave to my daughter-in-law, and a few things I will use myself. So yeah, that's this is what we're doing today, and this is how it comes. Comes in this little plasticky bag, and it says "Have fun." This is the June one. And it also comes with, and I haven't tried any of these yet, actually. I've looked at them but I haven't tried them. It comes with the little booklet that shows you what all the products are, how much they are if you buy them full size. And you also get to pick one item. From a selection of things, you get to pick one thing and the rest they pick for you. So my choice was this brush, and it is so beautiful. It's so soft. I had to change my lighting. I had these dark lines going through my glasses. That's the only problem about lighting, what do you call this lighting? Whatever it's called. You know, these ring lights and stuff. I have a ring light in the middle, and then which holds my camera, and then I have strip lighting on each side. So anyway, never mind. Let's move on. Where were we? Yes. This was the item that I chose, and it's a concealer and set brush. So you can see how nice and soft that is. That's beautiful. But it's got some density to it because it is for concealer. I don't know if I'd use that for concealer or not. I guess I could. But I usually use a little tiny sponge, but yeah, that might work. I'm gonna give it a try anyway. And it's by Farah, F-A-R-A-H. And I'll let you know how much that is once I get into it. So as I say, this is the little bag it came in. And the first item is Reller Positive Vibes Moisturizing Lipstick. And I did have a quick look at this here, and I'm not sure that this would be a color for me. This is not a full size. That's what it looks like. It's cute. It would be really cute to put in your handbag if you're traveling. And this is the color. I am a cool tones, and this is not going to be a color that will look good on me. I go for more cool. This is like a warmer color, but this would look gorgeous on Kelsey, my daughter-in-law. So Nora's mom, that would look really nice on her. She's a warmer skin tone, I think. So I will pass that on to her. And actually, I'll just tell you the prices as we go along. A full size of this is $18. And this is a deluxe sample. Yeah, what's up? I was interrupted by my husband. Okay, so yeah, so $18 for a full size of that one. And the brush that I chose is $18. So yeah, like I got that for the price of the whole bag. So that's, you know, that pays for the whole bag. And whether I use it or not, or one of my girls use it, it will get used. The next item is Pure Lease Pineapple Bright Cleansing Gel for all skin types. And I will use that. And a full size of that is also $18, and the full size would be 100 ml. And that is, it's not every day you find the perfect cleanser for dull or lackluster skin. I'm pretty good with my skin. The sulfate-free wash gently removes buildup and grime, while Camu improves uneven texture, and pineapple extract. It's loaded with vitamin C, helps brighten your skin tone, and you just massage it into damp skin and then rinse with warm water. So I will use that for sure. Next item is Cloud Soft Body Vanilla, and it's a 30 ml. This is a good size. These are great for traveling, if I ever get back to traveling again. And it's by Cali C, Cloud Soft Bod, deluxe size in vanilla. This is a luxe moisturizing infused with sweet almond oil, shea butter, aloe vera, and antioxidants. This is for a 200 ml, $16.95 for a full, and I will use that. I'm not going to open it because I wouldn't use it at home. I will probably use it when I travel. And last but not least, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items. And that's 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is the 5th item, and this is a concealer. It's called Pretty Vulgar. Where did they get these names? Come on. Come on, marketing. Come on. Pretty Vulgar? Like, you know, come on. Step up your game a little bit here. Just saying. The color is in 61. This concealer checks all the right boxes. It has a lightweight serum, light texture, provides medium coverage that's buildable, blendable, and looks like a second skin, and lasts for hours without creasing or fading. A full size of this, which is a 4 ml, is $24. And this is 2 ml. So that's worth $12. So yeah, so already I've got my money back, and I will use all of these products with the exception of the lipstick, because I'm super fussy about my lipstick. I like nudes, nude pinks. I like almost like, you know, with just a little bit of a liner around them. So yeah, so I'll use that. And so that's it. And the total, I will mark down here the total of the cost, if I can work it out. See, they don't actually tell you. They just tell you how much the full sizes are. So, I mean, that was a no-brainer. That's a full size, so that was $18. And this is half of what you would normally get, so that's $12. So there's my money back already. This is a 30 ml, and a full size of that is 200 ml, and that's $16.95. So I'm not very good at percentages, so that's maybe worth $5. Would that be about right? Maybe less? Yeah, maybe less. And this guy is also 30 ml, and he is worth $18. So do the math, work it out, guys. That is my Ipsy bag, my first unboxing of Ipsy bag, and July should be here soon, and I'm going to do one on that. And so before I go, I just wanted to address this beautiful top that I'm wearing. This was in one of the hauls. If you saw my haul when I went shopping with Heather, I will link that down below. This is one of the tops I got, and I was telling you about it. It looks so much nicer on than on the rack. And Heather talked me into buying it. I said to her, does this look frumpy, or does it look old looking, or does it, you know, and she said, no, it's gonna look fabulous on you. You can't really get the effect of the material. It's a cotton weave material, and it's just gorgeous. And I think I picked it up for $16 in the clearance. And I honestly think because it didn't look good on the rack, that's why it was still there. But it's beautiful. It's also a longer length, if you can see it. Let me just push this back a little bit so you can get a little bit more. See, it's working on that tummy, guys. It's longer. I have white shorts on today, and it comes down nicely. You could even tuck it in slightly and then have it blousing over like that down at the back. So yeah, it's a nice little top. Yeah, so I'm really pleased with that. So yeah, thank you all very much. Sorry, I'm making you seasick. Making you seasick. Stay. Thanks a lot, guys, for watching my little quick unboxing of my Ipsy June edition. July is coming, and I'm excited to see what's in that. And then I think I'll maybe get it for a few more months, and then I'll probably cancel it. Simply because it's not something that I kind of crave to, you know, to have every month coming in. I don't use a lot of makeup. I did do a profile, told them I was more interested in skincare and hair care and perfumes. So they already sent me, in the very first one I got, Julie's Got a Gun perfume, and I gave that to my daughter-in-law, and it was not the original one, it was a flanker, and I didn't like it. It was quite patchouli-esque. So I gave it to her, and if she doesn't like it, she'll pass it on to her sister-in-law, or, you know, or her girlfriend might like it. So somebody will get it. Somebody will use it. So thanks again, guys. I'll stop rambling. I love you all to the moon. I hope you'll watch and subscribe if you're new here, and have a great day. Just keep smiling, and as I always say, don't let anyone ever dull your sparkle. Bye.